Hello everyone, welcome to the day 5 and welcome to this English learning blog. And today is my office day, so I have to go to office. And today I have a one presentation, so I am planning to take this presentation from my home. And after that, we'll go to office. And right now it's around 9 a.m. in the morning, and I woke up early, like 7ish, and I have presentation today, so I prepared for that, and let's see how this presentation will go, and will update you about my presentation, about the feedback. So just I'm starting my day, so let's see what will happen throughout the day, and hello everyone. So let's little bit talk about today's journey. So it's a practice time. So I want to revise my day. So today I went to my office, and my office is so far from my house. It's around 60 किलोमीटर from my house, and it takes end to end. यानी घर से ऑफिस पहुंचने में मुझे लगते हैं 2 घंटे. It takes end to end 2 hours. And yeah, like I met couple of friends, couple of office colleagues, and so on and all, it was a very good day. And we had one meeting, and my presentation went well because I take out some notes. So I referred that note, and my presentation was good. I feel confident, so I can see like I'm improving day by day. And yeah, so I came from the office at around 6, and we have a hybrid model, so I have to go to once in a week in office, and rest of the days I do work from home only. Guys, yeah, after some day or maybe in a one video, I will tell about myself more, like who I am and what I am doing. I think this thing is clear, like why I am here. I am here to make video on my progress. If you feel like uh, you are a learner and I'm also a learner, if you feel कि हमें सपोर्ट करना चाहिए, तो प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को लाइक करो, सब्सक्राइब करो, और साथ साथ में सीखते रहते हैं ऐसे ही करके. सो आज की मेरी प्रैक्टिस हो चुकी है, एंड अभी बस एआई टूल के साथ प्रैक्टिस करना बाकी है, जो आपको मैंने कल दिखाई थी, आपको जो मैंने पिछले वीडियो में जो आपको दिखाई थी, जो मैं प्रैक्टिस करता हूँ चैट जीपीटी के साथ, अभी वो बाकी है. रीडिंग प्रैक्टिस मेरी हो चुकी है, और राइटिंग प्रैक्टिस आजकल मैं नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ, वो मुझे शुरू करनी है. और कोशिश करता हूँ वीक में कुछ वर्ड मीनिंग याद करने की, वो ये प्रैक्टिस मेरी मिस हो रही है, विच आई नीड टू बी कंटिन्यू. सो या, सो आज के लिए आई थिंक इतना काफ़ी है. मिलते हैं कल 6 डे 6 पर. ओके गाइस, बाय बाय. बाय.